Do you want to know how people made $10,000, $20,000 from farming GMRX? Guys, this was massive. But I posted this airdrop some couple of days ago, not knowing they are closer to their listing time. It was so painful that I was unable to farm as much as I can. Guys, look at this. Look at from this screenshot. Look at this. This person received 500,000 pieces of GMRX, as you can see. So, and it's worth $10,594 for free. Are you fading Socialfi airdrop? Are you still doubting that you can make millions of naira from cryptocurrency space? Look at this screenshot of how someone made $10,594 by holding 500,000 pieces of GMRX. Guys, this is Socialfi airdrop. But the good news is, in crypto space, there will always be an opportunity for next time, and only if you will take position. So now let's dive into the other opportunities on similar opportunities that you can make by farming them. Guys, para laboratory, heavy, what's it called? Imaginary ones, which is the bubble. I'm gonna be explaining how to go about all of this. In case you are still doubting, you are still fading, you don't know what to do. Even if your Twitter account is being suspended, go and register on another Twitter account. I will drop the link to Twitter post in the comment section, so that when you click on the link, make sure you interact, follow each other's accounts. The moment you click on the post to my Twitter page, like, follow the post, comment, and follow each other's. Anyone that is on my YouTube channel, you're on my Telegram channel, and you are seeing this video, you are seeing this post, make sure you interact and you can follow each other's accounts as well. This is how to farm all of this airdrop. This is how to earn free money by doing Socialfi airdrop. So you don't want to fade. You don't want to say, I don't have an account. Just go and register another account. I've told you what to do. Interact on each other's, follow, like, comment, repost. By so doing, when everybody start doing that, we can farm this airdrop among my community, like for everyone that is on my YouTube and for on my Telegram channel. So to join this imaginary ones airdrop, this poppy farming, you need to register firstly. Connect your Twitter. That's the most important thing. You connect your Twitter and you have all of these social tags to do. All of you see, add Bobby to into your X name. Follow I Gentle Wales. Follow all of. If you click on go, you'll be able to do all of these social tags. Then the this to earn this 30,000 social points, this space, I've earned it and I've shared the code. I'll drop the code to earn this 30,000 points. You see, it's ending in 5 days. Once you click on it, code claim, because I've claimed. Once you click on it, you just input this code. This when TGE is the code. Actually, when TGE is still the code. Once you click on it, just input this when TGE. Remove all this apostrophe. Just type in the when TGE and you get 30,000 points on this imaginary ones airdrop. You earn free 30,000 points. Then now you go to other Socialfi airdrop. You go to other social activities and claim the airdrop. Then the next one is, after you've claimed all of these activities, then go to Twitter and start farming like your life depends on it. Farm anything that has to do with any post that has to do with, they put this dollar sign. You see, they put this dollar Bobby. Farm it, like you repost, you comment under it. Any post that has this Bobby dollar sign, any post that has the Bobby para let me go to the para this para sign too. You share, you see all of this. This is for the para gaming site. You say boost your PARAM points. If I click on this boost, you see what you'll be asked to do. So this is, you see, want to earn para points for social media support. Here is how. Tweet using this para or at para laboratory. Any tweet that has to do with, or you make a tweet that has to do with either of these, you are going to earn points. You like, you retweet, you quote, you follow the account, you are going to earn points. These are automatic. The points will be automatically awarded each week based on the activities from the connected Twitter account. So any activities that you do on your connected Twitter account will earn you these points. So you use one stone, not even you use one stone to kill two birds. You use one stone like to kill multiple birds, not even two birds as it is now, because what we are farming now is four. We are farming block games. We are farming this para. We are farming imaginary ones. We are farming from every word. Now let me show you how to add everything to your tweet. It's not like you're gonna make a tweet like that and you're just going to add para. No, you're going to say something about them first before adding them, before adding all of these initials to your tweet. Then that's it. Then anything you are going to be commenting on, you are making your comments. Don't just comment like you just include the initials. No, you make comments like, oh, we are going to the moon, we are printing, all of those sweet words. You add it first, then include all of these initials in the tweet, and you'll be able to end. Now let me show you how I'm going to do it. Let me go back to the imaginary airdrop. Okay, let me just follow this account and see what we have here. Show your love for imaginary ones and bubble coin via tweet. Let me click on this. So excited about the upcoming. You see what this is an automatic tweet. They've prepared these tweets. Huge Web3 partnerships such as Ugo, Samsung, OKX. You see those are partnering with these people. For this every airdrop, Coinbase partner with them. When you are talking about Coinbase, you're talking about OKX, you're talking about Samsung. You don't want to sleep on all of this. So let me use the opportunity to farm other ones along with these tweets. Then I'll drop the you see, let's get Bobby to the world together. I'll drop the link to these tweets. So once you see the link, follow my Twitter account, repost, comments, all of those things, and follow each other's accounts as well. So I'll just do this one along with it. I'll do block. Then I'll do, because they've made reasonable comment. If you do not make all of those reasonable comments before it will look like spamming. Excited about the upcoming. All of these things is explaining what the project is doing. So you don't just type all of these things that I typed. It's because they've typed all of reasonable word. That's why I can include this to it. If they have not typed it, I'll have to do the typing and come up with something reasonable, something enticing before. If not, Twitter will suspend your account. They will think you are spamming. So include all of these things first before including the initials, as I'm doing here. Now we say we are mooning. That is how to farm this airdrop. So I'll drop the registration link for this para, the imaginary ones, block games, and so that you can take position. This is how you use one stone to kill two birds, to kill multiple birds in the same tweet. As far as they are including, all of these are inclusive, then you are good. Let me add at join join every. You see what I just did? So this is it. Then I'll post the tweets. So as I'm earning from this, I'll earn from other ones as well by making one single tweet. The same thing if you repost, you like, you share, all of those things like that, you earn from them as well. So that is how to do the farming on this. Let me see if the tweet has been made. And I'll come back here. You see, now I'm back to the post and I'll click claim because I've connected my Twitter account, so they've seen that I've made a post about them. So guys, this is how to position for all this airdrop. As soon as you're seeing this video, check the description box for the registration link or the comment section. Take position. Check out the tweet post at the description in on the description box as well. Interact, like, comment, share, and all of that, and that's it. And you're positioned for every of this airdrop. So guys, this is what I have for you about this particular Socialfi airdrop. Stay positioned, stay jiggy, and see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Join the Telegram community for more amazing opportunities as well. Stay tuned. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.